Guys, so I do know that I have black hair, and you'll be wondering why I'm saying this as soon as you see the clips following. So today we're gonna be building our studio. So our studio is actually not gonna be for this RiKiMiSu channel. It's gonna be for our other channel called Flavor Twisters. You could just search that up. It should be around here somewhere where the spelling is. And please do check it out. We would really love that. So there we will be doing like a bunch of weird things where we're blending foods together based on a theme. So let's say breakfast foods. We take waffles, eggs, and a bunch of those type of things, blend it together and see how it tastes. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video of us setting up our studio, and thank you very much for watching.
Now the camera has died. But that's alright. After the camera died, we basically just finished up any finished details. I'll put a picture of the finished studio right now. Hopefully you did enjoy watching that, and because we had a lot of fun building this. Make sure you check out our other channel, Flavor Twisters, and we'll put it around right here how you spell it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button right next to the subscribe button. That'll notify you whenever I have a new video. So see you later. Bye.